Hello, this is my instructional video on how to clean the lens and the mirrors on the laser. The first thing you want to do is make sure the machine is turned off at the power button. By turning off the machine, it allows the gantry here in the middle to move freely so you can get to the mirrors and the lenses. Next, if you lift up this cover, you now have access to the mirror and lens assembly and the mirror down here at the edge. I'm going to go ahead and pull this mirror out. It's just held in by a magnet. And I'm going to unscrew these two to take off the faceplate of this assembly with both the mirror and the lens. There we go. You want to be very careful with these. One, they're very expensive. They're about $220 a piece. And two, we have a laser that goes through here. So anything like fingerprints or lint on the lens or the mirror is going to mess with the functionality of the laser. So be very, very careful as you're handling these. You'll want to locate the toolbox for the laser machine. And inside we have all the tools that you will need to clean the lenses. You will need the lens cleaning solution. You'll need a Q-tip, and you'll need to tear off a small piece, maybe 1/3 of a sheet, of the lens cleaning paper. First step is to put a few dots of the cleaning solution on the Q-tip. And go ahead in a circular motion, gently, very gently, clean the mirror. You do that same thing with the mirror assembly. And on the lens here, we're going to go ahead and clean both sides. Always wiping in a circular motion. Now, take a quick look to make sure there's no fingerprints or lint from the Q-tip on any of those surfaces. Lastly, take the paper, the lens cleaning paper, and again, very, very gently, trying not to touch it with your fingertips, go ahead and in a circular motion, just dry off that surface. One thing to note when putting it back together, this assembly, they have these little retaining clips on these tiny screws here. They need to be flush with this faceplate before you could assemble it together. If they're not flush with the faceplate, when you screw it together, it will not sit flush on this surface here. Therefore, it's going to be at a slight angle and you will not be accurate with your laser. Carefully slide in the laser mirror at the end. You could throw away the Q-tip and throw away the paper, lens cleaning paper. Close the lid, and you're ready for the next step of the process.